When paintless dent removal is performed by a highly experienced PDR tech, the results are second to none compared to any other repair methods, including a body shop. Your factory or custom finish stays original. As you'll watch in this video, PDR utilizes surgically fabricated tools designed to gain access behind the damaged panel. Nothing devaluates the vehicle's worth more than repainting a factory finish. If panels are also replaced, often with non-OEM panels, further devaluation occurs. Paintless dent removal returns immediate value to your vehicle and provides the closest repair possible to the damage never occurring in the first place. Of course, you'll have to be cautious about who you choose to perform your PDR repair. Not everyone who offers PDR is good at PDR. As you can see, bad PDR is like bad plastic surgery. Do your research and be cautious who you appoint to work on your vehicle.